Dear children, welcome to the YouTube classes. Today I will start a new chapter. All of you see, already I written in board. This is not the new. You have done these chapters in earlier classes also. Okay. The chapter name is Percentage and its application. The chapter name is, I written here, the chapter name is Percentage and its application. At first you have to know what is percentage. Like previous year, again I have tell you, the percentage means percent. Per means out of, cent means 100. Or per 100 or per 100. You know per means, or you can write out of 100. Out of 100. Suppose in math exam, Meghna got 45 out of 50. I told Meghna, how much you got? Sir, 45. Out of 50. Then out of 100. What is your marks? Sir, I have to calculate. Then calculate. You will calculate how? Now, out of 50, Meghna got 40. If there was 50 marks exam, then Meghna got 45. If it is 1 marks exam, then Meghna got 45 by 50. If it was 100, why 100? Since percentage means out of 100, you have to calculate out of 100. Then you will calculate 45 by 50 into 100, and his score is 90. Out of 100, his score is, her score is 90. And when you will express as a percentage, the percentage symbol is this. This means out of 100. Okay, you know this is the percentage, and the chapter name is Percentage and its application. Now you have to convert it into percentage, or from percentage you have to come in the fractions or in numbers, and some applications also. Some application means it is a so big chapter, and it contains profit loss also, discount also. Okay, so let's start the exercise. What are there? All of you see the exercise. The first exercise 7.1. Express the following percentage as a fraction. Some percentage are given. You have to express as a fraction. Exercise 7.1. The first 1, 2. It is given that 2, 1 by 2%. Now you have to convert it into as a fraction. At first you will convert it, this is a percentage, but it is mixed percentage. At first you have to convert it into improper. 2 to the 4, 5 by 2%. Then 5 by 2%, I told it is percent means out of 100. Now 5 into 20 equals to 100. So it becomes 1 by 20. 1 by 20 is the result. Okay. Same as also, just opposite of this, from number 2. Express the following as a percentage. The fractions are given, you have to express as a percentage. See, 2, 2. 9 by 20. You have to express as a percentage. No problem. You will multiply by 100. Because you have to compare with 100. Then it is 45%. Just leave 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will start from 7. 7261/4% of 25 kg. That is 25/4% of 25 kg. You have to find this percent of 25 kg. How much? 25/4. And since it is percent, then it is always compared out of 100. So I written here by 100. Of means 9 into 25. 25 into 4 kg. Then it is equal to 25/16 kg. Divided it. 16 1 is 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That is 9. Then 0. No. You just convert into improper fraction. Okay. Only to express always in decimal fractions. Next, 82. Rupees 7.50 of rupees 6. Therefore, 7.50. You have to express rupees 7.50 of rupees 6. Means out of rupees 6, the 7.50 you have to express as a percentage. Then 7.5 by 6 into 100. It is equal to express in percentage you will multiply by 100. Just remove. Then cut. And now it is 125%. Some students think, sir, 125% out of 100 125. Yes, out of 100 it is 125. If you in a 100 marks exam, suppose you have done so many accurates, then you will say, sir, I have done and there are you use so many methods. You will tell, sir, I am using 2 methods, so I will get 2 marks, 2 another marks. Suppose the question was 3 marks maths, and you have done this maths in 2 methods. Then I have to give 8. Then if I give, then your score will be 125 out of 100. That is 125%. Just see now, 7.50 out of 6, it is possible. Out of 6, 7.50. That is here. Out of 6, if anyone got 7.50, then out of 100 it will be 125%. Now 9 to what percent of rupees 9 is rupees 4? Here rupees 4 is rupees 4 is the amount. What percent of rupees 9 is rupees 4? What percent of rupees 9 is rupees 4? Okay. So you have to express. Suppose this is rupees 9. This is rupees 4. How much percentage of rupees 9 is the rupees 4? You have to express. Then, if you take, suppose this is x percent, then you can do it by 2 methods, by using algebra, by arithmetic. If you take x percent of 9 equals to rupees 4, then you have to find x by 100 into 9 equals to 4. X equals to 4 into 100 by 9. That is 400 by 9. So 9 for the 36, 9 for the 36, 44, 4 by 9%. If you do directly the second method, what percent is rupees 4? So you have to write 4 by 9 of what percent? 4 by 9 of what percent means 100. Directly. Then you can get the same result. Next, all of you see 10, 1. 16 2 by 3% of a number is 25. Very easy. Let the number be x. Now 16 2 by 3% of x is equals to 25. Now this is forming a linear equation. You can find 16 2 by 3 means 50 by 3%, and it is percentage by 100 of x equals to 25. Then x will be equal to 25 into 3 into 100 by 50. Therefore 150. The amount is 150. Okay. Now 11 2. Decrease the number 750 by 10%. 750, it will be decreased. Decrease means minus. How much? It is not given how much, it is given in percentage. What percent? 10%. 10% of which number? This number, obviously this number. Therefore 750 minus 75, that is 675. Yeah. Twelve two. On decreasing a number by 80%, it becomes 697. Suppose a number it is decreasing by 18%, then it becomes 697. Let the number be x. It is decreasing means minus 18% of x, that is 18 by 100 into x, is equal to 697. Therefore, let the number be x. That is x minus 18% is decreased, 18 by 100 of x is equal to 697, or that is 100x minus 18x by 100 equals to 697, or 100x minus 18x, how much? 82 equals to 697 into 100, or x equals to 697 into 100 by 82. Then simplify. 6. No. 41, 50, 41, 41, 1 is 41, 697 divided by 41. 7, 17. Therefore 850. So 850. Therefore the number is 850. Next 14. In a school, 38% of the students are girls. If the number of boys is 1023, find the total strength of this school. In a school, 38% of the students are girls. If the number of boys, let the total students equals to x. Here girls equals to how much? Girls equals to 38%. If 38% is the girls, then how much is the boys? Boys equals to 100 minus 30%, because rest are the boys. In a school, total student equals to 100%. Out of 100%, 38% is the girls. Then what will be the boys? The boys is 100 minus 38. Then it will be 62%. Now 62% of the total students, 62% of x means 62% is the boys, 62% of the total student, it is given equals to 1023. Therefore we can write 62 by 100 of x equals to 1023. Therefore x equals to 1023 into 100 by 62. Cut it. 50, 31, 3, 93, 3, then 0, 1650. The total number of students in the school is 1650. Okay. Next, number 17. Out of 8,000 candidates, 60% were boys. Total candidate, total equals to 8,000. Out of 8,000, boys equals to how much? 60%. 60 by 100 into 8,000. So boys equals to 4,800. Okay. Out of these boys, 80% of the boys, if 80% of the boys and 90% of the girls passed the examination, these are the boys. And how much girls? The rest are the girls. Total student 8,000. Out of this 4,800 is the boys. How much girls? 8,000 minus 4,800 equals to 3200. These are the girls. Here the question given, 80% of these boys and 90% of the girls passed in the examination. Find the number of candidates who failed. At first you have to find how much student passed in the examination. Therefore, number of students passed equals to how much? 80% of boys plus 90% of girls. Girls are so efficient. See, also clapping for girls. 90%, whereas boys only 80% pass. Then 0, 8 8 is 64, 8 4 is 32, 38 plus 0, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, 28, and added this 0, 6720 student passed in the exam out of 8000. Now tell me how much student failed in the exam. How will you find? To form total student, you have to subtract the past student. Therefore, the number of student failed in the exam equals to 8000 minus 6720 is equals to 0 R 8 and 97 2 1 to 80. If anyone can do 80% boys passed, 20% they have to 20 by 100 directly, and 90% passed, 10% 10 by 100, then you can get this result. Okay, no need to subtract. Here one method, one step is extra. Next, $20. Pratibha reduced her weight by 15%. Pratibha reduced her weight by 15% by doing gym, okay, or by stop eating. If now she weight is 59.5 kg and 15% weight reduce করার পরও 59.5 kg. What was her earlier weight? Let her earlier weight be. Let her earlier weight be x kg. Okay. Then after reducing x minus 15% of x, this is the weight after reducing. This was earlier weight, now reduce this. So after reducing how much? This minus this, and it is equal to given that 59.5. From this equation you have to find the value of x. 5 3 5 20, that is 20x minus 3x equal to 59.5, or 17x by 20 is equal to 59.5, or x equal to 59.5 into 20 by 70. That is 70 kg. Therefore, we have to write her earlier weight was 70 kg. Her earlier weight was 70 kg. Okay. Next, 22. increase the price of rupees 200 by 10% and then decrease the new price by 10%. First a price, suppose one price, this price. At first you have to increase. At first you have to increase this price by 10%. Then you will get a new price. Now you have to decrease this price by 10%. Okay. Then what will be the final price? Is the final price same as the original price? Some student will say 10% increase and 10% decrease. So you say, some student will say that cow maths I given. One cow sell 10% profit, another cow sell 10% loss. There is no profit, no loss. Some student written now, but you got to 4%. 4% is loss. Okay, same as original. Don't think the same. Increase the price of rupees 200 by 10%. At first, the original price equals to rupees 200. Now we have to increase this price. How much? 10%. Therefore, increase price after increase, right? Price after increase. After increase 200, increase means plus how much? 10% of 200. That is, now the new price will be 220. Out of this you have to decrease, means this price will be decreased 10%. Therefore, the price after decrease, this new price will be decreased. Okay, some student will think this price will be decreased. No, now the increasing price will be decreased. How much? 10%. 10% of the increasing price. That is 220 minus 22. Is equal to 198. Now all of you see, the first original price was 200 and you get the final price is 198. Here it is decrease or increase? Obviously decrease. How much? 200 minus 198. That is rupees 2. Here you have to find, is the final price same as the original one? No. You have to write no. The final price is rupees 200 minus 198, rupees 2 less. Okay. So, all of you write the homework. Eight one 9 1 11 1 13 16 19 20 21 24. These are the homework. Okay. You will check your book because I am using old book, so problem grammar may does not match with your book. If there is doubt, you will message me. I will send this picture. Okay. No more today. Again, next classes, and you will submit your homework by tomorrow. Bye.